On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave. Guys, the first thing we're gonna start off today's vlog with is a package for me from the mail. So let's open it. You've got mail. You've got mail. Before I open it, can anybody guess and tell me what could be in my package? If you guys can guess what can be in my package, then you guys know me really well. Oh! Ha 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 ha! I'm so excited. Oh my god. Before I take them. Oh, look at that. Ooh, yes, glory. Yes, look at that. Good. I can make good soup now. And I can get good tea to drink. You guys know how much I love bun and cheese. Even when it's not Easter, the bun is live. And look what I got this time around, you guys. Hard-dough bread. Cheese. Yes. 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 It's a good look. My package is here. And I'm excited. And actually there's more Jamaican goodies to come. It's just that this is package number 1. So my Jamaican goodies is here. Can you tell I'm happy?
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, much has decked thee, O Christmas tree.
To me, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a-singing, 6 geese a-laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love.
You happy about your Christmas tree?
Yes.
Okay.
So what's next now?
The cadeau.
Mais il n'y a pas le cadeau cette année à Noël.
Oh, hi Fibs. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Tell her no, your camera is gonna fall. I know we have a lot of explaining to do because you guys haven't seen us for a while, but you guys know your girl ain't feeling so well. My energy got kid, and I'm still not feeling well, but Tyler decided that he want the Christmas tree up today, so we decided to put up the Christmas tree today.
Fish.
Hi Fibs.
Fish.
Why that voice? Tell Fibs hi. Tell them you miss them.
I miss them.
Say I miss you guys.
I miss you.
So sometime when Tyler come home from school, he say, Mama, where is Fibs? He want to talk to you guys. But anyway, you guys, the vlogs will be coming on and off for a while because I'm not feeling 100.
You
So the
still
vlogs,
feel good.
yeah, I'm sure. The vlogs, I'm slowly feeling back to my old self, so the vlogs will soon be back to the regular every day per week. But for right now, they'll come, but not as how they used to come. So not to worry, you guys, we're alive and well, we're doing good. Yes, baby?
I want to buy it.
You want to buy what?
The cadeau.
We soon buy cadeau put under the tree, okay? So yeah, we're just here chilling and I'm resting, and we just put up the Christmas tree, and we did something else in the house that we didn't get to show you guys because we've been away for a few days. But let me show you guys what else we did. But as you guys can see, we're doing better each day.
What's this sound?
I just finished making dinner for the fam. So let me show you guys what I made for dinner. So I just finished making some good old pumpkin rice and chicken liver for dinner. I know you guys miss the cooking. So there goes dinner for tonight. And this, we finally got to do another piece of house renovations project. What happened?
Papa hits me.
Alright, go tell Papa don't do that again, and he's to be nice. So we finally got to put up all our family pictures in the walkway, which we've been wanting to do for a while. So we never get to do this since we moved. So this house renovation project went up, and the boss is here being the boss as usual, and the queen is here being the queen as usual, and then little T-Bear is here, and all our family and friends are along this wall, and then our maternity photo shoot are along here. I need to fix this picture because it's lean, and this one is a collection that I had made with Babe and I. Don't pay my chip finger in man. I need to wipe them off. The collection that I made with Babe and I ever since we met until the day we got married. Some of them falling, so I need to fix that. But yeah, this project we did, and it's finished. Yes. You want to show Faith something? Okay.
Sit in my room and you sit here.
I must sit in your room.
Yes.
I am going to have dinner right now. How about you? We're gonna have dinner.
Yeah.
I'll come and sit after dinner. I'll sit after dinner. Come on, let's go. It's dinner time and I'm hungry. Anyway, you guys, so that's what we have been up to lately. Christmas trees up, and picture on the wall is up. And I also put up this one, which I wanted to put up for a while, but I don't get the thing to put here as yet at the entrance. Yes, Tyler? And I also put up this too, which I had bought a good while. This one says home is where our story begins, and this one says be happy and smile, which I super love. So yeah, just to let you guys know that we're okay. I'm feeling better with each day, so the vlogs will come back, no worry. Thanks for hanging out with us, thanks for checking in on me, you guys. I appreciate all the love. Yeah, we're just here chilling basically. So that's what's up, and we're not gonna linger around much longer because I'm gonna feed the family and myself right now. So I just want to tell you guys thanks for watching, and thanks for hanging out and checking in on me.
I'm going.
You going where? I don't know where you're going. You're going to sit in your chair for dinner. I have a whiny hungry child and I'm gonna feed him right now. You want to go to school?
Yeah.
You go to school after sleep in the morning, okay? You want to go to school. You're crying to go to school now? You go to school at night?
No.
Okay, so that means what? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
That means you have to wait until morning to go to school. That means that means you have to wait until morning. You have to wait until morning. You have to wait until morning. Na 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 na. Ni 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 ni. You have to wait until morning. Na na ni ni. You can't go to school at night.
Hi guys. I remember, I don't know who told me that, but somebody told me one day, I find so sexy the man who can iron.
You're hilarious. I find sexy the man that does everything in the house, not just ironing. Iron, cook, clean, wash, everything.
You find sexy or useful?
Sexy.
I'm joking.
And useful, the both.
You
Sitting down and watching you iron is everything.
that's my auntie who teach me how to iron. I was about,
Auntie Agnes?
yeah, I was about 20,
Oh Lord.
like 20, 22, 23.
And you couldn't iron, honey?
I never really ironed.
So that means when I met you, you just learn how to iron? No, sir.
Yeah. Like,
Jesus.
yeah. And sometimes I just feel like, okay, let's do it, watch the game in same time, and there'll be that work less for her. So I hope you're grateful. I'm joking.
You hope who's grateful? You're bright, you're feisty. You hope who's grateful?
You.
Come here, you're made, but grateful. You're
grateful.
fresh. You're fresh.
Grateful. Today is Sunday. Sunday is November. Today was a pretty day outside. A pretty day, I don't know.
Very pretty day outside.
I hear that it will be rainy this week.
Oh no, don't say that.
Like Wednesday, Thursday.
Jojo?
Yeah, I think so. Well, let's see. Sometimes they say rainy, but it's not. So let's wait. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. We didn't do much this weekend again, but we walked inside the house. We did well inside the house, and yeah, sometimes you just gotta make the things ready, and hopefully this is the last weekend that we almost have everything. And next weekend, if the weather good, we'll be able to continue some adventure, to go somewhere to. Yeah, so, and this weekend also because it was a big protest in France, like the increasing tax and all of these things, so people are just tired. So yesterday they're trying to block all of the road in the country, I mean all of the big road in the country, so it wasn't a good day to be on the road or things like this, so yeah, we just decided to stay home yesterday. And yeah, we stay home all day, and today we just chill, doing some things, continue to organize the house because it won't end for now, but every time we're doing some little improvement, that's how I say? Progress. And yeah, we're doing slowly, it feels good. We put some decoration over the weekend. We soon have to go get a dining table. That will be the next step. Hopefully, the next few weeks we can do that. And yeah, Christmas is gonna come in 1 month, so then it's gonna be Christmas shopping. Oh, it's gonna be somebody anniversary too. Hey! Guys, it's 5 years anniversary. I don't know if we should celebrate the 5 years. It's just becoming a randomly number now. So.
What do you mean?
I'm playing you. 5 years. Oh, it came fast.
So fast. I feel like we got married yesterday.
It came fast. So.
This is the fastest 5 years I've ever seen.
Oh, hopefully. Maybe we can do a celebration some years and invite a lot of people. So yeah, if people are in Jamaica or
and invite some subscribers. And invite some subscribers. Wanna renewing our vows.
Yeah, there can be options.
You know, when we just got married, funny story, when we just got married, we said that we wanted to renew our vows at 5 years, but damn, the 5 years comes like, nope.
5 years came so fast, and
oh my gosh, I can't believe it's 5 years already.
Oh yeah.
And the 10 years is going to come by so fast, I don't even think we'll be able to renew it at 10.
But at the point you have to force yourself to.
Let's see.
To do the things, because if you just then you're gonna come 10 years, 20 years, and you just into
that's
it.
True.
You also have your personal, I'm gonna say like
goals.
Right. When you divorce is not a goal. It's just okay, you do it. But like to buy a house, to buy a boat, to buy a castle, I mean
to have kids.
Is. And to raise kids, to do all of these things is a goal. Not necessarily, I mean, my goals, but it can be somebody's goals. So, yeah. Yeah, have to see what's the best important. I mean, when you're parents, you know that kids come before everything. So, yeah, and for example, we just got a house, and that's also part of the kid. I mean, so Tyler can have his own room and then to live with us and all of these things. So yeah, that's a part of the program.
Yes, who is that?
Auntie Anika.
Wow, did you say hello, Auntie Anika?
Say hello, Auntie Anika.
Hello, Auntie Anika. My papa is the best papa. Okay, put it down. Okay, so the notification shout out first. The Smith family.
The Smith family.
Stacy,
Stacy,
Joshua,
Joshua,
and Ron.
and Juan.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Alright, tell Faves night night.
Night night.
See you guys.
Delaveau.